or it looks like it's going to be a good day to do some tree trimming, because this guy right here shades the heck out of my 2,400 watt main solar panel array right there. So I'm going to get the chop saw out and start whacking this thing down. It's really not that big of a deal, but I tell you, it just starts, because these things are south facing, it just starts that corner and just shades. I probably lose about 5 kilowatt hours of power with the shading of this tree. And thankfully, it's really not going to be that big of a deal getting up there and doing this. You see, right, did it before, so they're all relatively thin, not hard to get to. All right, there you have it. Can't have shading. All right, that's what's left of the tree right there. And let's take a look at the tree. Where's the tree? Where's the tree? I don't see it. Thanks to my neighbor who drove this job home. Sorry about the wind noise. We were able to knock this tree out in about an hour. And I also sawed off a couple of limbs over here that were over the fence. I'll go in there and show you real quick. See this right here? Knocked those two guys down because it was essentially growing over on the fence there. But now, no more shading except for that little bit right there. That always happens this time of year. That house shading right there from the roof, that goes away in about a half an hour. And it's what, about 11 o'clock right now? And I'll show you what the power level is just with that amount of shading right there on those 3 panels. So you got 2,400 watts in solar panel, and I'm not even making half right there with just those 3 panels that are shaded by the roof. But once the shading is gone, power's going to go right up. Sweet! Sweet. Inverting now too. Look at there, already up to 26.15. Nice.